Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. Up first, you would have seen Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After me, we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. So what I'm going to do today is show you how I did this one. It's like a split base version of my Wonder Pillow that I've been playing with. So I'll show you how I did that. And I'll probably put that at the end of the video. I might do just a little play one to start with. Alright, see you at the end.
So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. I've been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. 'Cause the bigger they are, the harder they fall. You build your fortress and I'll climb your walls. You got your armor, but I see your flaws. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, the harder they fall. you don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in the mood, I could be rotten. I could be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. You won't like what you see. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster. 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 Yeah, I feel like you can hold me back. Yeah, I'm coming for you. I'm not heater on you. No, I'm just telling you the facts. Oh, these chains can keep me down. Yeah. I can be rude, be in the mood, I can be rotten. I can be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a...
You don't believe in monsters, do you?
Of course not.
I do.
See me change into something darker. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster. 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 Yeah, I feel like a monster. 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 Yeah, I feel like a too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, we keep going all night. Don't back down, the moment is now. Don't miss out, we're never turning around. The night is young, we're out and free. If you can, try to catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. They'll never see us 'cause we're moving the night. We're always ready if they put up a fight. Outrun, outclimb, we'll outshine. You will run and think it's worth it to try. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, I think you've had enough. We're renegades. Yeah. much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, let's keep going all night. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, think you've had enough, you've had enough. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. Can you hear history calling you, calling me? Written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd, saying, King, King, King. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one, written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all. I want it all. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. The colours in that are crazy cool. So yeah, there's another fun way of doing my Wombat's Wonder Pillow. Do a little split base with it, mix all your interference pigments in with it, and then spin her out. Then you've got your basic pillow for whatever you want to put on top. And you get some crazy cool results. Like, they're absolutely nuts. So, give it a go. They're a load of fun. Okie dokie. Up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. It'll take you directly to her premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list, that way you don't get lost. You just hit play all and it plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another. Alright guys, if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe, ring that notification bell. Ding ding! That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as I release it. That's it from me today. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.